Habitat's keeper here on Grandfather Mountain, and we are here to celebrate Earth Day. Happy Earth Day! It is the 50th anniversary, and we are here at Elk right now doing some themed enrichments. The Elk are asking you to rethink, refuse, reduce, repurpose, reuse, recycle, and rot. And they're excited for some treats. Most of the enrichments you're going to see today are made from reused or repurposed items. So the elk and the cougars both love playing with old feed bags. We only take the safe parts of the bags, and the kitties have some of their favorite toys inside. So hopefully they want to rip them up and shred them to get what's inside.
Hey everyone, my name is Heather. I am one of the zookeepers here at Grandfather Mountain. Happy Earth Day! Y'all are about to see our bears get their Earth Day enrichment. We have made them a sweet treat. They're getting blueberry muffins, and we've used blue and green food coloring to make them look like little planet Earths. Our bears love treats. If there's any treats that you would like to see our bears get, you should check out our Amazon wish list. Hey, it's Heather again. So our otters are next. They're about to get their Earth Day enrichment. We're at our off-display otter building. You're gonna see Nova, Oscar, and Uno get their treats. They're getting frozen ice cakes. We've used blue food coloring to make it look blue, and then there's fish frozen inside. The frozen treats are really fun because they can't just eat it super fast. They kind of have to work at it for a little bit, and it's kind of got a little ocean look to it, which is very fitting because 71% of the Earth's surface is covered in water.